Are you thinking about renovating? Before you start tearing down those walls and spending thousands on upgrades, let's talk about which home improvements actually pay off. In today's video, I'll break down the top renovations that increase your home's value and a few that may not. Stick around because you don't want to waste money on the wrong project. Minor kitchen remodel, the best bang for your buck. Examples: repainting cabinets, updating hardware, adding a tile backsplash, replacing countertops. ROI, 70 to 80% return. Why it works? The kitchen is the heart of the home. Buyers often make emotional decisions based on how updated and functional a kitchen feels. Budget-friendly upgrades like fresh cabinets, paint, modern hardware, new countertops immediately boost appeal without a full remodel. Pro tip: if your cabinets are in good shape, don't replace them. Refinish or paint them instead. Swapping out old countertops for granite or quartz gives a luxury feel without breaking the bank. What not to do: don't overspend on high-end appliances unless you're in a luxury market. Avoid completely changing the kitchen layout. It's expensive and won't always yield a strong ROI. 2. A bathroom remodel. Small changes, big impact. Example: new fixtures, regrouting tile, water-efficient toilets, updated vanities. ROI, 60 to 70% return. Why it works? Bathrooms are one of the most scrutinized rooms by buyers. A clean, modern bathroom makes a home feel move-in ready, which buyers love. Easy updates like swapping out an old vanity, adding stylish mirrors, and replacing outdated light fixtures can drastically change a space. Water-efficient toilets and shower heads not only modernize your home, but also appeal to eco-conscious buyers looking to save on utilities. What not to do with the bathroom: don't install overly personalized tile or ultra-trendy designs. They might not appeal to future buyers. Expensive features like jacuzzis, custom steam showers often don't recoup their costs unless it's in a high-end market. Fresh interior and exterior paint, the power of a paintbrush. Examples: neutral wall colors, classic exterior shades, repainting doors and trim. ROI, 55 to 60% return. Why it works? Paint is one of the cheapest upgrades with the biggest impact. A fresh coat of paint makes a home feel fresh, clean, bright, and updated, and buyers notice interior colors. Stick to modern neutrals like grays, warm whites, or a light taupe. Bold colors can turn buyers away. Exterior paint, classic shades like gray, beige, or even navy boost the curb appeal and make a home feel well maintained and look well maintained. What not to do: don't choose trendy colors that could go out of style quickly. DIY jobs gone wrong. Cheap paint jobs with streaks or drips can actually hurt your home's appeal. Curb appeal upgrades. First impressions matter. Examples: landscaping, new front door, updated house numbers, outdoor lighting. ROI, 75 to 100% return. Some projects are even higher than that. Why it works? Buyers form an opinion within seconds of seeing your home. A well-maintained lawn, trimmed hedges, and a fresh front door paint color can add instant charm. Outdoor lighting not only enhances beauty, but also adds security, making homes more attractive to buyers. Small details signal that a home is cared for. What not to do: overly elaborate landscaping might look nice, but can scare off buyers who don't want high maintenance yards. Energy efficient upgrades. Save money and attract buyers. Examples: attic insulation, energy efficient windows, smart thermostats. ROI, about 80% return, especially in colder climates. Why it works? Buyers love lower utility bills and are increasingly looking for energy efficient homes. Insulation and new windows not only improve comfort but signal long-term savings for a buyer. Smart thermostats and LED lighting add modern appeal and efficiency. What not to do: solar panels can be tricky. While they do lower energy costs, solar panels might deter some buyers. Flooring upgrades. Ditch that old carpet. Examples: replacing carpet with hardwood or luxury vinyl plank. ROI, 70 to 80% return. Why it works? Hardwood and LVP flooring are highly desirable because they're durable, stylish, and low maintenance. Carpet, especially if old and stained, can instantly turn off buyers. You've been in a house with old carpet and you know. Pro tip, if you can't afford full hardwood, LVP mimics the look at a fraction of the cost. Avoid bold patterns or cheap laminate that doesn't look realistic. A new garage door, the surprise MVP of ROI. Examples: stylish insulated garage doors, ROI 90 to 95% return. The garage takes up a lot of visual space. A new door instantly upgrades your home's look. An insulated door improves the energy efficiency and buyers notice. Adding a deck or patio, more space, more value. Examples: wood decks, paved patios, outdoor seating areas. ROI about 60 to 70% return. Outdoor living space is a major selling point, especially in warmer climates. Even if a simple deck or patio creates a space where buyers can picture themselves entertaining. Smart home features, modern convenience, sales. Examples: smart locks, thermostats, security cameras. ROI is about 50 to 60%, but greatly improves marketability. Why it works. Tech-savvy buyers love smart homes. Convenience is a huge selling point. Smart security features make a home feel safer and more attractive. So there you have it. These home improvements aren't just about looks, they're smart financial decisions that can put more money in your pocket when it's time to sell. Which project are you thinking about tackling first? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real estate advice. See you next time.